welcome to the Sion Hill Hall Birds of Prey Centre. Come along with me and you will see some beautiful birds of prey. One of my personal favourites is the kestrel. The great grey owl, sometimes known as the Phantom of the North. This owl is the provincial bird emblem of Manitoba, a province in Canada. The boo-boo owl is the smallest and most common owl in Australia. The barn owl is a distinctive and much loved countryside bird, widely distributed across the UK and indeed the world. The bird has suffered declines over the past 50 years as a result of the degradation of once prey-rich habitats in the face of intensive agricultural practices. This decline, fortunately, has halted in many areas and the population may now be increasing. Even barn owls need a cuddle now and again. The eagle owl is the largest and most powerful owl in Europe. It has a large beak and enormous talons, but its most noticeable features are the striking orange eyes. It has prominent ear tufts, which it raises or lowers depending on its mood. Peregrines, the Ferraris of the skies, are the fastest animals in the world. They are believed to achieve speeds approaching 200 km per hour when plunging from the sky after prey. It can be found nearly everywhere on Earth except New Zealand. The lanner falcon is a bird of open country and savanna. This is presumably the oldest living hierofalcon species, and is very common in Africa. The magnificent golden eagle, one of the best known birds of prey in the Northern Hemisphere. Despite being locally extinct or uncommon, the species is still fairly ubiquitous. The highest density of nesting golden eagles in the world lies in the southern Alameda County in California. This eagle is enjoying a meal. Keep off, he proudly stands. Seagulls hover over water, plucking fish from the surface with their strong talons and often eating them in flight. They became extinct in Britain during the early 1900s and were reintroduced to Scotland in 1975, where they've since started to breed.